Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide your profile on EA Games application. To hide your profile on EA, first of all, open your EA Games application on your device and log into your account. Once you're logged in, go to the profile icon at the top right corner and click on Settings. Inside your Settings menu, click on Manage right next to your username. Now, it'll take you to this account information page where you need to click on Security and Privacy. Under Security and Privacy, scroll down and click on Privacy Settings, and it'll take you to Profile Privacy. You will see a drop down where it says Who can see my profile details and be recommended as a friend. Click the drop down and set No One. Once you select No One, you'll then be able to scroll down and click on Save to save your changes. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to hide your profile from other users on EA.com or EA app. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.